Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Roxanne, and in today's video we will review my Levenger keyboard size week at a glance calendar. I want to show you how I set this calendar up, some of the features of the calendar, and how you can use it in your day-to-day. So let's jump right into it. Just to start, this planner size is about a 15.5 by long by about 4 inches in width. And the nice feature about it is it has an expansion. So you'll be able to utilize the top section as well as the bottom section, and we'll go into that as well. Right at the very beginning, you'll get a chance to see the year at a glance, and you'll also have a nice little section here to note any type of special occasion that you might have upcoming for the year 2021. You might put a nice little quote there, or just something to remind you for the 2021 year, or whatever the year, the calendar that you are using. And I'll link this information below. So to get right into some of the pages, again, we have a double side here. At the top section, you'll be able to utilize things to-do list with some checkoffs, a nice open spread here to note anything important, or you might want to draw a picture there. You might put some inspirational quote there. I really like that it gives you a lot of room and the option to expand it out or use it on one-sided. Here at the bottom section, you'll notice that it has the week at a glance starting from the Sunday through Saturday. So I want to show you how if you notice there also, it has little numbers there for scheduling. If you want to schedule according to a time, beginning at 7 a.m. All the way until 5 p.m. Now, I don't normally use the times here just because it's so small in the writing area. I usually end up writing right over that and just highlighting the time as I write it down in the notes section. So let me show you what I did when I set mine up. Just looking at a glance here of the double-sided page, I utilize my top area for just important things that I want to highlight for that week, that I just want to make sure I don't forget, information that I need to remember. I want to catch up on my shows. I want to make sure I picked up food for my low carb meal prep that week. I know I had to do my budget, and I had to pick up some gifts for an upcoming anniversary. So I didn't want to forget. I like that I can just put it there and remember at a glance without having to flip through any journals or anything like that. And yeah, so I do like that feature. Most of the time I am using it in this format because it's usually set up on my little easels in front of my desktop, and I'll show you that at the end of the video. But I usually have it on my easel right in front of my desktop, but sometimes if I'm right in front of my laptop, I may have it opened up and laid out like in this format to just kind of glance at it both sides. So here at the week at a glance layout, it'll show you from Sunday through Saturday. It'll give you the current month at a glance. You'll get a chance to see the previous month and the month ahead. And I love that because I might have something upcoming and I really want to remember it so that I don't, make any kind of scheduling on top of it. And I might want to, as I'm doing my schedule for the whole month, I know that, oh goodness, in February or the next month, I have this or that date that I gotta avoid scheduling or schedule around. For me, I just added a few stickers just for kicks and giggles, and I do like using different colors so that it'll stand out as a different date if I'm just taking a glance at it. I did use my Happy Planner stickers from the journaling, Happy Planner journaling stickers, just to add a few things like a counter for my water intake, and just a few stickers and reminders of what I need to do at a glance as well. Yeah, so I do enjoy using this layout. I usually have it propped up in front of my my PC or my desktop, and it's just a really nice, cool feature that I enjoy using, and I just want to share that with you in hopes that maybe it might be something that you might want to consider. At least you'll have an opportunity to see some of the features, and you might want to consider it maybe for yourself. I hope you enjoyed watching this video today, and if you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And if you like content like this and would like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.